Hey guys, good morning, good morning. And there we go. Okay, perfect. It's HDK here, and we are talking about the most gorgeous thing you've ever seen in your whole life, and this is the new Mary Kay Beauty Blender. Okay, so before we get started, I'm going to do foundation. I'm going to do highlighting and contouring. I'm going to do under eye corrector, translucent powder, all the good stuff. But let me catch you up on what's already going on in this domain. First of all, I don't know if you know this about me. I would hope that you would know this about me, but I am like an obsessive Mary Kay girl. Like, I love our products, and that really holds true mostly for our skincare. And so skincare last night, well, first of all, how this came up is I'm working out this morning at the gym, and it is early. And we get up at 4 a.m. in this household, and I'm at the gym, and I'm barely like moving, and all I can do is stare at my skin. I should have actually been doing something. I did a little bit, but my skin looked so good. It was glowing. And I have to tell you that there's certain things that you need in your repertoire right now. And those things are, you've got to be multi-masking 3 times a week. And that is microdermabrasion, your radiance facial peel, your charcoal mask, and this is the thing, this is the kicker, this is the booster, if you will, and it is those vitamin C squares. And I use those 3 times a week, and I dissolve them in my replenishing my C serum, and I'm telling you, like, I can see a ginormous difference in my skin, and I've been an avid skincare girl for a long time. In fact, I could count on my hand how many times I've ever went to sleep with my makeup still on or a dirty face. It just does not happen in my world. I love skin and I love to take care of it. And for me to have these kinds of results, like bam, vitamin C squares, you must get them. There's 12 of them, which is a month's supply for $24. Like, you've got to have it. Okay, so that's the first thing. Second thing is my makeup today. And when I was researching fall trends for an event we had a couple weeks ago, one of my favorite trends that came across, of course, we all love the pumpkin spice, like that's just a tried and true amazing one. But this one was so different and so fun for fall that it has become really my go-to look. If you've seen me in the last couple days, last couple weeks even, you probably have seen me with this look on. And it is a metallic silver eye. So how I achieve that with Mary Kay products is apricot twist cream eye color as my primer, and sterling and granite as just all over. Like, it's so easy. It's not the 3 colors and 4 colors and blending. I mean, it is literally throwing granite and sterling on my eyeball just like that. I mean, so easy. Kohl is my eyeliner, of course, and then it's paired with a Barbie doll pink lip. Like, don't you love it? So this is, I think I have a light nude lip liner with powerful pink. I think I prefer, I've been messing around with it, I think I prefer rose lip liner with powerful pink, but either way. And then if you like a little bit of gloss, that powerful pink is a matte gel. If you don't like a matte look, you can do Shock Tart over the top. Okay, so there's the catch up. Are you ready for the Beauty Blender? The actual reason we are here together today. So I already have CC cream on. Now, you low maintenance girls, and Laura Middleton, if you are watching this, that is you, my friend, my dear, lovely friend. If you are gorgeous and you just, can get away with it, CC cream is a great foundation for you. It's got foundation, concealer, primer, sunscreen, and moisturizer in one step for $20. Like, it's amazing stuff. I, on the other hand, spent way too much time in the sun with iodine and baby oil, so I can't get away with just putting CC cream on. But this is just CC cream. There must be a pretty good filter on my little webcam, because I don't really look like that. I'm looking at myself and I'm like, questionable. So I need to put on my favorite foundation in the whole world, which is Matte Coverage, our Time Wise. So it's our matte wear, and anybody that's got normal to oily skin, maybe you can get away with a little bit of dry if you're wearing CC cream underneath as the primer, but that's the formula you want to use. Super dry people, use Luminous. It's awesome. So I've got that on the back of my hand. Let's see if I can, there we go, just like that. Beauty Blender. I'm going to use the fat side, and I am just going to bump it all over my face. Okay, so this beauty blender is completely wet. I soaked it in water and then I wrung it out. So it's full of water. It's not dripping or anything because I squeezed it out, but it is wet. And so you want to keep it wet. First of all, it gives just an incredible dewy, light finish, but you'll see the coverage, like it's crazy coverage. But it also keeps from your sponge absorbing your foundation because you don't want to lose product. We spend great money on product and we don't want to waste it. Okay, so if you just watched me do that, and I'm in my office and I'm doing it in a webcam, and it took me 5 seconds. So my brush, I have long loved my liquid foundation brush, Mary Kay's liquid foundation brush. And I saw no sense in changing it until, I got to try stuff. I got to tell you guys what I think of it, so I got to try it. The first time I put that beauty blender on, I was like, I'm sorry, where has this been my whole life? What is going on here? That is amazing. So we'll never go back to a foundation brush. Except for my charcoal mask, that's what it's going back into the bathroom where it belongs apparently. And here's the thing, I have super oily skin, as you guys know, and I feel like it's wearing better, and it's not coming off my face at all. It's not even separating on my nose, because I used to get separation there because of just how oily I am. It's not anymore, and I believe it's because of the application process. Okay, so now so that was it, like super easy. Highlighting and contouring. First, I'm going to use the under eye corrector, and these are the 4 a.m. circles right here. Okay, I'm going to put those right there. Can you see? See if I can get better lighting here. There we go. Oh yeah, you can see my under eye circles really well too. Hello. Then I'm going to use my perfecting concealer, and I use light beige. And I'm going to go right here, right here, right here, right here, right here. Okay. Can you see it? Oh, there you go. There it is, right there. Let's try that first. I'm going to take the little skinny side. Just blend. Oh, it's so soft and pretty. And you don't have makeup all over your fingers. Get up into there. The under eye corrector is peach. So what it's going to do is it's going to help neutralize those under eye circles. And I am just blending in. So what I'm doing is I'm creating a light triangle. I wish I could see better. A light triangle underneath on the inside of my face. So here to here to here. And I want this light and bright on both sides. I'm going to give myself just a little bit more concealer right here on both. I'll turn around and use the Fat Daddy side. Love this side. It's so cool. And it has these rounded edges that you can just manipulate so well with. Okay, so I'm creating those little triangles, a little highlight above my eyebrows, right through there. Okay. And then, now this is a new thing for me. I love to use our Bronze 2 mineral pressed powder for contouring and bronzer. Oh gosh, I really should have not put lotion on my hands before I needed to open this thing. Okay, now I'm a little bit concerned that I'm not going to be able to show this to you. Ah, I got it. Got to use the muscles. So I love our mineral pressed powder, Bronze 2 for contouring. But I'm going to give this a try because I love so much the blending that you can get with this product. I'm going to try deep bronze. I know you can see that bad boy underneath my cheekbones. Create a shadow right there. I love this because I think you can get a little bit more specific. You know, it's not everywhere. Oh, baby, I just lost 10 pounds. Oh, yeah. I wish I could do it everywhere else. Actually, I'm not going to use any more. During the summer, I may use a little bit more, but I'm just going to blend it around the perimeter of my face. So hairline, jawline, Just getting a little bit of bronze love in there. But oh my gosh, girls, this looks good. Now I'm going to set it with translucent powder, and this will be the last thing I show you guys today. Powder brush full. And what translucent powder does, amazing stuff, it will set your makeup, control your oil, buff out lines and wrinkles and pores, just create a perfect canvas that just helps your makeup wear so much better. And there it is, all with this baby. Guys, it's 12 bucks. 12 bucks. Contact your consultant. If you need one, of course, I'm here for you, or find somebody local to you. If you're a consultant, girls, this stuff is amazing. So go get yourself. Try this new fall look because it's one of my favorites. Perfecting concealer in your shade, maybe a little bit lighter than your skin tone, and then your bronzer, the bronze color, deep bronze or light bronze, and under eye corrector, translucent powder, foundation. You're ready to go. Good luck. Let me know how it goes. Bye, guys. Ooh, I have a joke for you. This is my new favorite joke for today. Okay, why did the old woman fall in the well? Because she couldn't see that well. And thank you for watching. Bye, guys. I gotta go.